There's a lot of ways to make people buy from you. And today I'm here to show you some surefire and research-proven ways of doing it. First and foremost is scarcity. Have you ever seen those ads that always say limited edition or first come first serve on it? Well, this is the reason for that. It pushes buyers to think that there's just a few pieces left of it, which in turn would make them want to get it. But it's common human psychology. We want what others can't have. Number two, novelty. Something that's unusual, something that's fresh and new. Take, for example, Elon Musk's flamethrower. The thing was sold out way before anyone else had any chance to check it out. And third, authority. Look, I'll go back to Elon Musk as an example. People like these as our figures, and people still end up buying since they are authorities. They have a fan base or a group of people that support them and consume their product. And a lot of authorities like Kanye, Kylie Jenner, and the list goes on. And number four, social proof. There's always that doubt in the back of our minds whether our product is good or not. And what better way to answer these questions than to take from others' experiences and testimonials about the product or service. But if they avail this and they had a good time using it, I guess it can kind of get me the same results as well, right? Anything from reviews to star ratings, the list goes on. More often than not, people like other people to take the risk for them instead of diving headfirst, and that's understandable. And number five, we have significance. Does it make them look good? Does the product benefit them? And if so, what are the benefits of it? This one is quite common. And of course, when buying a product, the first question is why? Why should I get it? What can it do for me? What can it give me? People want the bang for their buck, and they want to know first what they can get before actually getting it. If you want more tips and tricks in everything social media, real estate, and achieving your goals, give that subscribe button a smash and share this video to someone you know who may need it.